National emblem of India. The national emblem is a recreation of Ashoka's lion capital at Sarnath. On January 26, 1950, the lion capital profile was selected as India's state emblem. Dinanath Bhargavan was chosen to create the national emblem when the constitution was prepared. The three lines seen on the national emblem on the capital's representation symbolize strength, courage, and confidence. It also represents the pictorial representations of animals like lions, horses, bulls, and elephants. The lion depicted in this pillar represents the ideal of enlightenment, whereas the horse represents the horse of Buddha when he departed from the citadel. The zodiac sign of Buddha, which is a bull, represents the Taurus. The slogan of Satyameva Jayate, or truth alone triumphs, is represented in the lower portion of this pillar. This slogan was taken up from the Mundaka Upanishad, which forms a part of the sacred